The problem. Sleep loss and sleep disorders are some of the most common and readily treatable health problems. It's estimated 90 million Americans chronically suffer from a disorder of sleep and wakefulness, hindering daily functions and adversely affecting life and longevity. The long-term effects have been associated with a wide range of concerns, including increased risk of hypertension, diabetes, obesity, depression, heart attack, and stroke. After decades of research, the case can confidently be made that sleep loss and sleep disorders have profound effects on human health. The problem. Problem solved. Good Morning Snore Solution takes the mystery out of how to stop snoring. This fully tested, clinically developed medical device is scientifically proven to give you a restful, snore-free life. Cleared by Health Canada, FDA, ARTG and recommended by doctors, dentists and respected sleep clinics around the world, Good Morning Snore Solution is the trusted answer to your snoring problem. Rest and recovery. Clinical research shows us that sleep is when almost every part of your body gets a chance to rebuild, including everything from muscle growth to immune system strength and brain health. The scientifically proven sleep benefits of Good Morning Snore Solution can make you smarter at your job, stronger at the gym, more energetic with your kids, and much easier to sleep beside, all of which makes for a better life. Rest and recovery. Sound results. The same physical conditions that block your airway also create the distinct sound of snoring. Because you're unconscious when it happens, it's easy to pretend you're only affecting others. But you're also keeping yourself partially awake, and occasionally waking up completely throughout the night. Through the proven results of better science, Good Morning Snore Solution lets you breathe easy, and sleep quietly. Sound results. Human factors. Snoring is created by obstructions in the mouth and nose that cause vibrations while breathing. Physically, it can be caused by overly relaxed throat and tongue muscles, excess tissue, and aging. Contributing factors can include allergies, cold and flu, sleeping pills, muscle relaxants, alcohol, late-night snacks, and weight gain. No matter what the cause may be, the clinically proven results of Good Morning Snore Solution can give you a restful night tonight, and a much better day tomorrow. Human factors. Plug in and recharge. At the end of a long, hard day of work or play, a good night's sleep is still the best reward you can ever give yourself. With a deeper, quieter and more restful sleep from Good Morning Snore Solution, the clinically proven benefits begin almost as soon as your head hits the pillow. By making Good Morning Snore Solution the end of every day, you can finally get the restful sleep you deserve, and the better tomorrow that comes with it.